So in this video I'm gonna show you how can you download the latest version of this Blender, and this course is fully compatible with the latest version of the Blender you can use. So I'm gonna search for the Blender here. Okay, this is the Blender, you can search the, and this is the open source and completely free software. Open source means you can code and change according to your preference, but I'm not gonna do this. I will use this software and animate our projects. So this is the blender.org, means the organization. So I'm gonna open it now. Currently Blender 5 has been released, and this is the perfect version, I think. Here you need to press the download. If the Blender 5.1, 5.2, 5.5, maybe 6 has been released, you can use that version as well. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use this Blender 5.0.1, and which is released on the December 16, 2025. So I'm using the Windows, that's why it's detected the Windows version. And if you are using the Mac, then you can choose the Mac if it is not detected. So just press the download, and now our download is now gonna start. This is the free software, that's why it's asking me to donate. And if you are earning with this Blender, you can donate. Okay, you can donate in USD, and this time this one. So and I'm not gonna download in Indian rupees, it's showing something like this. So it's downloading, so I'm gonna wait. So the Blender has been successfully downloaded. You can even click here, or even you can go to this download and refresh this page. Okay, and just right click and okay, open, or even you can run it. But this time I'm gonna double click here to open this file, and now it's opening. Now press next, and it's asking me to where do you want to save. So I'm gonna save it to the default folder. So I'm gonna make it next, install, and it's asking me again, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? So it's the official software, so I'm gonna yes to change. Now it's validating, and it will be installed, and it's very easy to install. It's not a very complicated process, because this is software is free, so you don't need to do so many things. Okay, you don't need to make any arrangements to install, because this is the free. So that's why it's taking time, because it's copying new files. Because I have so many versions of Blender, let me show you. Okay, I use so many versions of Blender at a time, because the latest version sometimes are not stable. So this time I'm using the Blender 4.5, and here I have Blender 4.2 LTS 3.6, the old version 4.3, 4.4. So I use all of this in certain projects. So let me check. Now it's installed, so just click here and just finish it. Now let me check where the Blender 5.0. This is the Blender 5.0. You can double click to open it. Now the Blender is open. Okay, so this is the splash screen. You can even open it again. Now it's this is the newer version, that's why it's acting. Now here you can select this general 2D animation sculpting. This is the new thing. This is the storyboarding. I think I'll use it later. So just press the general, and rest of the things will be same. Here you will get here this one. Okay, this is the snapping button, this is the new button. And let me just go to this edit and preferences, and this time you need to go to this. Let me show you. This is the animation. Go to this animation and just press shift and just disable all of these things, only enable these three things. Now go to this navigation. Okay, and enable the object around selection and perspective, and everything is perfect. Okay, object around selection in videos, I'll tell you what is this. If you select anything, then it will rotate on the objects. Okay, systems, choose the CUDA option if you are using NVIDIA. Okay, choose CUDA or optics. If you are using the AMD processor, then choose HIP. Okay, AMD. And if you have the Apple system, then you can choose the OpenAPI. So this time I'm gonna choose this one, and here the key maps, navigations. Okay, and this time you can even use the emulate Okay, 3-button mousepad. This is the very important. Go to this input and just enable this emulate 3-button mouse. After enabling this, just go here and save these preferences. Now go here. After emulating 3-button, you can press Alt to rotate it and Alt and Shift to just navigate it. In Apple means the MacBook, Option to rotate it, Option button, and Option and the Shift button to just navigate it, something like this. You can do it with the Gizmo as well. Here the shortcut, okay, tools, something like this. Okay, now here everything will be same like the previous version. Let me check the dope sheet, and this is the action editor. We will use some these things in the videos. So I think everything is perfect. Now I'll meet in the next video. Bye.